Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use or enable gaming mode in iOS 18. So it's actually pretty simple. So before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so this is the official guide for using gaming mode on iOS 18. So to use game mode on iPhone in iOS 18, make sure you're running the iOS 18 beta on your iPhone. If you don't know how to do it, just go to beta.developer.apple.com and you can just do it. It's pretty simple. So once you've got iOS 18 on your iPhone, just launch a game. You should automatically see game mode on appear at the top of your screen. If you want to disable game mode manually, tap the pop-up alert when you launch the game, and this will keep background activity running normally and won't divert system resources to your game. So this is how you use or enable gaming mode on iOS 18 in iPhone. So if you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.